Hey, what's up guys? This is Laire and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be sharing my simple hack on how I copy or fake portraits in my iPhone 8. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, just a quick backstory. I really like the portrait shots in the latest iPhones, but unfortunately it's not in my iPhone 8. Luckily, I've stumbled upon this app, Focos, which lets me edit my pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my screen right here. And that's the app I'm talking about. It's Focos, and we're gonna open it up. Alright, so there are two ways of importing or using a photo. Oh, you can take it right into the app, or you can take it before editing in the app. So this is my so yeah, this is my picture, the one I shared to you in my microneedling video. As you can see, it automatically edited the background, so it's already blurred. For it not to look really edited, you need to tone it down a bit. This slider right here is the aperture. The smaller the number, the more blurred the background is, like so. And then the bigger the number, the clearer the background is. So it's up to you how blurred that you want the background to be. I like it to be that. So to save it, in the upper right corner, you click that icon and then save copy. And then you're done. Here's the picture. So that's it guys. I hope that you learned something in this video. If you did, just talk to me in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.